Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Paulus Adidama Prasada with student ID number 124490040. In this video, I will make a tutorial for custom footprint, creating names, student ID numbers, and study program logos. First, open the KiCad to custom footprint editor. Yes. I am custom footprint the resistor SMD 1206 metric. To reference size and path, I am use the datasheet SMD resistor. Step first, click new footprint, save, new library. Okay, can I set the library? Not LM, found, found, yes. Okay, let's click change layer for F string to f.fab. Uh, make secure. Okay. The size I am following reference for datasheet. Yes, datasheet resistor assembly 1206 metric, and then L with 3.10 millimeter and W 1.60 millimeter. Okay, back to KiCad editor to print. Double click or click A. Next, change X 1.6 and Y 3.10. Okay, we rotation. Yes. Okay, we will add the add for feature add pad, editing pad. Then rotasi check following the secure. Secure. Okay. Okay. Check zoom. Okay. The layout, I am setting for following. Rekomendasi is pet. Yes, I'm custom the pet long pet 1.65 millimeter. Okay, click A. And A. Okay. one, okay, and one, right, 2.05, 2.05. Okay, yes, I can to use picture rotation. Okay, and that is two. I delete. We can copy paste the pet. Okay, and give the name to. Okay. Following the dataset, because space um, space 1.6 millimeter. I can use long space the pet 1 to pet 2. I'm using the feature dimension orthogonal. Then space, okay, 1.6 millimeter. 1.6 millimeter. Hmm, okay, click cancel to get um, okay, okay, nice. Yes. We will move the secure. Mm, wow. Cancel. Yes. Okay. The left orthogonal dimension. Nice. Next, I am give the layer F for 2 year. I make the Okay. 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 And I'm changing names for left to let's start. Okay. Reference and change. Okay. This I'm give the layers of the screen to lock. um, so okay. Next, I save the footprint to back and start. Okay. Okay. Finish the custom footprint. Next, I'm testing the footprint and sorry, and open the PCB editor. Um, this footprint. Sorry. Um, power. Yes, resistor. I am create footprint. Okay, the following dataset I can custom footprint. This resistor type SMD. Okay, next I make create I make and create logo name and my name is PCB editor. First, um, give the name. We can using feature text. Okay, next. Okay. I do view a full screen layer I check. To full screen. Okay. Use student number ID to full screen. In PCB board, name and student ID number. Okay. I will the and yes. Next, give the logo recognition. First, I'm download logo recognition. Yes. Logo. Okay, one. Set. Save. Next, I'm going to KiCad. I use feature image converter. The file open logo recognition open this black or white threshold. I'm setting. Okay, export to file. Logo. Save. Change to HTU to full screen and export to file. This logo. Save. Okay, back to PCB editor. Add the flash footprint. Okay, search logo. Harus ditambah dengan yes. Okay, and then finish the files. Okay, that's all. Okay, sorry. Um, add, add user adjust cuts, secure, and yeah, okay, and I yes, and then finish. That's all the video tutorial from me. If there are any mistakes, I apologize and thank you.